Ayan, hello guys. So today, I'll demonstrate this simple Java system that I created using Java Swing following a format that is given by Mom Bunag. So it all started from login form to selection, login form to selection, and to confirmation. This I made the form tree I made a form tree a main class, and I just made this login form and open restaurant form for the methods. So since excuse me, since given yung format may Mambunag, good start na yun for making this system work. So we would just have to identify or think critically what to do next with this codes to know how this all works. So this program begins with as I've stated, begin with a login form where I use labels, text field, and of course the password field following the button or the radio button. Well, in the radio button, it only be chosen once, while compared in checkboxes where you can check everything, or where you can check one or two, depends on your wants. So I will just demonstrate this codes first. Then after that, papakita ko na yung output. So this since given yung instruction na may maximum na login attempts, it only includes this system. It only includes a maximum of 3 login attempts for security, and once the correct username and password are entered, the system automatically transitions to the next stage. So after mag-log in, kapag tama yung details, pipili na ng lalabas yung choices for restaurant, which I made 3 choices: Greenwich, Jollibee, and Samgyeopsal. In the given format, the user will choose a specific food that they want. Then it consists, or it contain toppings. But sa akin naman, I made it a restaurant. Then after that, pipili ng food choices from that specific restaurant. So, from the radio button siya, and it is to ensure that isa lang yung restaurant na mapipili na nakafollow pa rin sa format na given. Then after naman nun, after makapili ng food choices, lalabas na yung order confirmation. After natin i-click yung done, lalabas na yung order confirmation natin kung ano yung mga food na pinili natin. So let's try to run this first. I'm gonna show you the output. It's running. Yan. Ayan. So dito ko na lang siya sa gitna since hindi siya kita sa full screen. Lagay lang natin yung yung username ko ay John May lang, which is my name. Then my password is 0115064. Try natin siya i-login. Ayan, login successful. And as I stated, yan, lalabas yan yung confirmation yan, kung ano yung details na nilogin natin. Then after that, pipili tayo ng restaurant na gusto natin. Halimbawa, Samgyeopsal. Then, lalabas yung food choices from Samgyeopsal. Halimbawa, gusto ko lahat to. Ayan. Ayan na yung order confirmation. It depends on what are those foods that you've chosen. Ayun lang ilalabas dito sa confirmation na to. Halimbawa, ibang restaurant naman, halimbawa Greenwich, it all works the same naman. So, halimbawa, dalawa lang yung gusto ko. Ayan. Ayun lang naman yun. Simple lang ng code na to. Halimbawa, sa Jollibee naman, gusto ko isa lang. Ayan. So, let's try naman the other side, which is, kapag ang output natin ay, ang login attempts natin ay mali. Let's try to change my username into, ayan, tas password yan. Ayan. Since may maximum, may 3 maximum attempts lang siya. Yan lang yun. Tapos, halimbawa, mali ulit. Yan, isa na lang yung attempt. Tapos, if maubos mo yung attempt, kapag tries ka nagkamali, we were gonna be blocked from the system. Let's see. Papalitan natin. Halimbawa, tama yung username natin, pero mali yung password. Ayan, wala na tayong attempts. So, block na tayo. Hindi na tayo makakapag-login ulit sa system or kasi nakalock na block na tayo kasi na-reach na natin yung maximum attempts. So, yun lang naman. I just showed how this codes or this Java Swing works. My code pala consists of 200 plus lines, I think. Ayan, 208. Pero I think there's a way naman to simplify this. But for now, I'm just gonna show you how many lines this consists and how this system works. Ayun lang. Thank you po.